National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wilkin County, southwestern Clay County in northwestern Minnesota, northeastern Richland County in southeastern North Dakota, southeastern Cass County in southeastern North Dakota, until 5 p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Christine, or 18 miles south of Fargo, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near Oxbow, Wolverton, and Dixon around 4 p.m. Comstock, Rusted, and Wild Rice around 4:05 p.m. Fargo and Moorhead around 4:10 p.m. Sabin and Baker around 4:15 p.m. Barnesville and Downer around 4:20 p.m. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 34 and 63. Interstate 94 in North Dakota between mile markers 350 and 352. Interstate 94 in Minnesota between mile markers 1 and 26. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your